How to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. So if you want to fix the horizontal lines in your Android phone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings at first. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with display and brightness, and from here you need to turn on your dark theme, and this might fix your problem. After turning on your dark mode, your horizontal lines might disappear. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go back and then go with search, which is on the top right. Here you need to search for software and you need to go with your software, or you just need to simply update your software or your system. After updating your system, your problem might be fixed. You may also have an option of system update. You need to tap on the system update, and if an update is available, then you just need to simply tap on the update or install overnight and it will update. But even after the update, if that doesn't fix your problem, then it means that is the hardware issue. You just need to simply go and change your display, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.